What's up, guys? It's Tony here again. Today, I'm bringing you an absolute beast, a true legend. Back in July 2020, a mysterious car guy from the Northeast handed me this legend, a Cadillac bought 32 years ago. One look at it, and you know, this beast was born for luxury. The grille's cracked, the lights are broken, and all 4 tires are done for. Even the doors tell stories. But inside, that classic American luxury vibe still hits different. And guess what? 20 years ago, premium gas was just $3 a liter. This car still keeps its 1993 import papers and manuals. Maybe they're worthless now, but for this car, they mean everything. Pure nostalgia. Since it's warm today, I'm gonna try and wake her up. Before the snow hits, I'll move her into a safe garage. When spring comes, the real work begins. Underneath it all, a true American V8 is hiding. Forget eco-friendly. That 5.7-liter badge says it all. This thing was a gas station's best friend. I even found a few old parts I've never seen before. Man, this thing still drinks heavy. Distributor, ignition coil, all familiar. But somehow, it still bit through my glove. I knew I could start it again, but it didn't let me off easy. I love you too, buddy. Swapped in an old spare battery just to test the circuits. Let's see if there's still life in here. Oh man, I've had enough of this car. Nah, just kidding. Try again. Still dead. Probably the battery. Got a brand new one ready. New battery's in. Let's give it another go. Moment of truth. Come on, baby. Still nothing. No spark, no sound. My guess, starter motor or ignition setup. At least the engine still turns. That's hope. So yeah, starter's the suspect. Took me 40 minutes of wrenching, but I found it. The gear slipped out. Let's fix that. Starter's clean now. Turns out someone glued the gear instead of screwing it in. Unbelievable. Total shortcut job. Let's do it properly. Rebuild time. Full clean, reassemble, and secure everything right. Drilled it, screwed it in tight, solid as new. Now it won't go anywhere. I'm a genius. Painted the case, bolted it back together, just like it came apart. Alright, let's see what you got. Hold up, it's running, smooth as silk. Wish me luck. This is it. Let's fire her up. Engine's turning beautifully. Ignition sounds perfect. That's music to my ears. Testing the spark, grounding the plug against the block for a better look. Nice. That circuit's alive. And here's a fun secret. The fuel cap's hidden behind the rear seat. Don't tell anyone. Power's on, fuel's in, but still no flow. Must be the fuel pump. Let's give it a little tap. If your fuel pump's stuck, just knock it. Sometimes that's all it takes. And guess what? It worked. Fuel's flowing. Let's start her up. Fingers crossed. Here we go. She's alive, the engine's running smooth and steady. Test drive time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to support us in making even better videos in the future. After all this Cadillac, worth $169,032 years ago, is finally reborn. A true classic, back to life. Next spring, I'll give her a full restoration, make her shine like new again. Wait for me. Stay strong, old friend.